Hi, it's Emily and thank you so much for clicking today's video. So for today, I'm going to be doing my natural and glowy makeup routine. I always think it's most important to make sure that you have a good skincare routine in place and to make sure that your skin is at the best place possible before you start focusing on how to build a makeup look on top of it, because you do need to have the best canvas before you build something on. I am a licensed esthetician and I highly recommend you to look up a licensed esthetician in your area to find the best skincare routine so you can make sure that you have the best base so you can have the best makeup on top of that. But once your skin is at its best, I think that it can be an amazing canvas for any type of look that you want on top. Also, leave a comment down below if you like glowy makeup or if you like matte makeup, because I know everyone has a different opinion and I'm really curious what yours is. So this video is going to be all about my natural and glowy makeup routine, and if you want to see how I created this, let's jump into the tutorial. So as you can see, my skin is not perfect. I do have some hormonal breakouts right here, but I did just wash it and tone it and put all of my products that I usually like to put on it to get it started for the day. Something I always like to do when I know I'm going to be doing my glowy makeup routine is I always want to make sure that my skin is exfoliated so I don't have any rough or dry patches, and then I always like to use this face oil right here by Pixi. It is the rose oil blend. I also really like the jasmine oil blend. That's more of a lightweight one. But I always like to use this just to give my skin a little bit of moisture before I put my makeup on, and I really feel like it helps give it that overall glow throughout the whole day. First, I'm going to start off by taking a little bit of this. You want to shake it up before you use it, and then I'm just going to be taking 2 to 3 drops of it and then putting that all over my skin. So after that, you can see it doesn't really do much of a difference, but it does give it a nice oily moisture base, and I just noticed that throughout the day, I think that it really helps give my skin some more moisture and glow. So I'm then going to be going in with my foundation. Today I'm going to be using the Hourglass one that I still just have in this little tester here, because this tester's actually been lasting longer than I thought it would, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of this and then putting it all over my face as my foundation. So something when I'm doing this makeup routine is I always try to use the lightest amount of makeup possible, because you really want your natural skin to show through. I think that's what's most beautiful in makeup, is when your natural skin and features are showing through. And I think it's also what makes this look more wearable and more natural and more glowy. So you don't want to be pounding a lot of makeup on your face throughout the whole process, because you want the end result to be really light and natural looking and not really cakey and built up and dramatic. Okay, so after I have my foundation all blended out, I'm then going to be taking a little bit of my concealer. As usual, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes and as well as just my highlighted points. So you can go ahead and put concealer over your eyelids if you feel like a lot of veins show through and you're not a fan of that, but I'm going to leave them alone because, again, I feel like that helps make the makeup look more natural in the end and not too made up. So I'm going to be going into my Flawless Finishing Powder by Pixi, and I'm just going to be setting under my under eyes and my T-zone and not the rest of my face, because I want to be keeping it really movable and dewy. So after I have my base done like this, I always like to take my Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe and just spray my face so everything is moving together and I keep everything glowy and moisturized. And before I do the rest of my face, I just want to go ahead and do my brows, and I'm going to be doing them really naturally, and I just want to do those before so I can just see how my face is looking and to see how much I want to apply of the rest of my products. Okay, so now that I'm done with my brows, I'm just going to be taking this Pixi by Petra Shape and Shadow, and I'm just going to be adding a little bit of definition to my cheeks. Okay, so for my blush today, I'm going to be using one of the Match Sticks by Fenty, and this color is in Yacht Life. And this is a product I really like to use when I'm doing a more natural or glowy makeup routine, because this is a cream blush. So I'm just going to be taking some of this and applying it on my cheeks and then blending it out with this little brush right here. The thing I really like about cream products is they stay more movable with your skin and they just look more natural throughout the whole day. Another thing I like to do when you're doing a natural makeup routine is to bring back the color you lost from the foundation and concealer. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of this and grabbing it on a brush, and I'm going to be applying that a little bit into my eyelids and a little bit on my temples and nose, just to bring back that natural color that you'd have. Then for my highlighter today, I'm going to be using this Becca Liquid Highlighter in the color Pearl right here, and I love using this for any natural glowy look because it just melts into the skin beautifully. It's really easy to blend, and I just love how glowy it looks. And so this is a product I really love to use, but you can always just grab any liquid highlighter and try that out. So I'm first going to take some and just start by pumping it on the back of my hand. I just like to take a little bit of this because a little really goes a long way with this product. So I first like to take one finger and just put it at the highest point of where I'd be, and then I like to take my other finger that has no product and then start to blend that out. Something I also really love about this product is it really just helps your skin look naturally moisturized and wet almost looking, and it's really buildable too, so you can always control how much of that you want. I'm then going to take a little bit of this and put it in the inner corner of my eyes, a little bit onto my lid to give them a glowy natural look. So I then just like to go ahead and do my mascara like normal. So after my mascara, I'm just going to top off the rest of my look with a shiny gloss, and I'm just going to be using this Fenty Gloss in Fussy. And here's my final look for my natural and glowy makeup routine. Thank you guys for watching this quick little video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below of what type of videos you'd like to see me create, and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined this family already so you can see all my upcoming videos and we can interact together, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.